Hello and welcome to Talgy Tutorials, where you will learn everything Talgy. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create and publish a candidate on Talgy. Let's get started. First, log into your account. Once logged in, you will see the menu on the left for hot candidates, hot jobs, and My Account drop-down menu. There are two ways to create and publish a candidate on Talgy. Today, I will show you both options. So once logged, this is the screen you will see. Click on Hot Candidates tab and go to Submit Candidates. You will be directed to My Candidates page, where you will see all the candidates you have created so far. Go to your top tag and click on Create. Pop-up window will open up and you will fill out the form. Name of the candidate, for example Sam Smith. Title, for example Developer. Location of the candidate. Let's write Los Angeles, California. Years of experience, let's write 10 years for example. Visa type, US citizen. Relocation, let's choose remote only. List all the skills they have. Let's add couple of skills, for example .NET Core, JavaScript, and so on. Turn on hot candidate. This will include them to daily emails to all vendors. Turn on auto renew if you prefer, and the system will automatically renew this candidate every week, so it never expires. By default, candidate will be published for 30 days. You will need to either enable auto renew or come back to Talgy and renew candidates before they expire. And lastly, attach their resume on the file. Once all the fields are completed, click on Publish and the candidate will be published and visible on Talgy Hot Candidate Marketplace. With option 2, we take a little shortcut. Again, once logged in, you click on My Account tab on the left to open the drop-down menu, then select My Candidate. Click on Create tab on the top right and repeat the same steps again. Let's verify. Click on Hot Candidates and search for candidate, and as you can see, they are in the list now and available to vendors. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when new videos are published. Go to talgy.com to learn more.